Dear learners, hope you are doing great. Welcome at Code Your Electronics with our next class, Class 19. Motion-based flying lights. Let's understand the code for same in step-by-step manner. Step 1. Turn on my IR sensor eyes. Pin mod A6 input. This code will allow pin A6 to read input or to sense any motion from the connecting device. Step 2. Get my booster lights ready. Pin mod 3 output. This code will allow pin D3 to get ready to lighten up Iron Man's hands and legs lights. Step 3. Get my arc lights ready. Pin mod 13 output, pin mod 11 output, pin mod 2 output. With this code, pin D13 will be ready to glow arc LED 6. Pin D11 will be ready to glow arc LED 4 and pin D2 will be ready to glow arc LED 2. Step 4 is to check if someone or something is moving. If analogRead A6 is less than 999, digital write 3 high, digital write 13 high, digital write 11 high, digital write 2 high. This code will turn on legs and hands lights, arc LED 6, arc LED 4, and arc LED 2, respectively. Step 5. No movement. Turn off the lights. If analogRead A6 is not less than 999, digital write 3 low, digital write 13 low, digital write 11 low, digital write 2 low. These lines of code will turn off their respective LED lights accordingly if nothing is detected in motion. The value of A6 can vary in between 0 and 1023. Step 6. Keep checking in loop. Void loop code. This loop concept will continue detect motion in front of it and will on and off lights according to that. Thank you for watching and learning with Code Your Electronics. Your passion, our motivation. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Keep watching, keep growing.